Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Nerf Scopes is probably one of the most exciting and game-changing accessories you can add to your arsenal, transforming your standard blaster into a precision targeting machine that will give you a serious edge in any Nerf battle. Imagine lining up your shots with unparalleled accuracy, anticipating enemy movements, and dominating the field with confidence, all thanks to the enhanced aiming capabilities that these attachments provide. Whether you're a seasoned Nerf warrior or just starting out, a good scope can elevate your gameplay to a whole new level, making every engagement more thrilling and every victory more satisfying. Number 5. Nerf Elite 2.0 Eaglepoint RD8 Blaster. Adapt your blaster for any mission with the detachable scope and barrel. Create different styles to suit your play. Fire 8 darts in a row up to 90 feet with the revolving drum. Simply slide the bolt to prime and get ready for action. This blaster comes with 16 official Nerf Elite darts. Store 8 darts in the built-in area for quick and easy reloads during play. Switch up the look and feel of your blaster with the removable scope and barrel. Tailor it for every battle. Utilize the 3 tactical rails to attach your favorite Nerf accessories. Customize it further for each mission. Our blaster arrives in simple, recyclable packaging that's easy to open. Get to the fun faster. What we like. This blaster offers incredible customization with its detachable scope and barrel, allowing you to adapt it for any mission. The integrated 8-dart drum ensures you're ready for quick action, and tactical rails let you add even more accessories. If you love to tinker and create unique blaster setups for different scenarios, this is the one for you. What people say. The scope provides no zoom capability, but it at least has 2 clear plastic lenses with a crosshairs aesthetic incorporated in the front lens, which is the whole point of being a cool pretend toy, looking the part. It comes with darts, but we have a big value pack here that I ordered a long time ago to use with all of his Nerfs. He thinks this is high quality, and he's really having fun with it. It seems to be well made, and he likes the detachable scope. Works well as an assault weapon and doubles up as a sniper with the scope. Charging handle is smooth and firing is great. Number 4. Nerf Modulus Stealth Upgrade Kit. Experience the ultimate in blaster performance with our N-Strike Elite blasters and Elite darts. They deliver unparalleled accuracy and power for every mission. Hear the difference with our Mega Series blasters. Their Mega Whistler darts scream through the air, announcing your arrival with a thrilling sound. Prepare for the unexpected and defend against any threat. Our Zombie Strike blasters are designed to help you survive any invasion. Light up the night with our Fire Vision sports gear. It glows brightly when thrown, adding an exciting element to nighttime play. Take your game to the next level with our sports equipment. The Pro Grip football and Nerf Hoop basketball set are perfect for honing your skills. What we like. This kit is all about enhancing your blaster's stealth capabilities and adding tactical flair. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with the Modulus system, offering a distinct advantage for players who prefer a more covert approach. If you're looking to upgrade your existing Modulus blaster for sneaky operations or want a specific aesthetic, this is a great choice. What people say. The red dot sight works better outdoors in the daytime because the laser has a lot of glare on the plastic screen. The red dot sight is accurate but not when the dot is lined up with the reticle. Aim from the iron sights and keep the red dot low, just above the iron sights, and it'll hit your mark, most of the time. The proximity barrel does give you a tighter grouping, but remember these are foam darts, even the best marksmen out there are going to miss due to what this is. Number 3. Nerf Modulus Long Range Targeting Upgrade Kit. Experience the ultimate in blaster performance with our N-Strike Elite blasters and Elite darts. They deliver unparalleled accuracy and power for every mission. Hear the difference with our Mega Series blasters. Their Mega Whistler darts scream through the air, ensuring your targets know you've arrived. Prepare for the unexpected. Our Zombie Strike blasters are designed to help you defend against any zombie invasion. Stay safe and stay in the game. Light up your play with our Fire Vision sports gear. It glows brightly when thrown, making nighttime games exciting and visible. Take your game to the next level with our Pro Grip football and Nerf Hoop basketball set. Master your skills and dominate the competition. What we like. This upgrade kit is engineered for players who prioritize accuracy and range. It enhances your blaster's ability to hit targets from a distance, giving you a competitive edge in open field battles. If you're a marksman at heart and want to improve your long-range game, this kit will help you achieve greater precision. What people say. The scope clicks on well, it stays on well, improves your aim. The barrel is effective, it looks sweet and it is more effective than the Retaliator barrel. The barrel increases the accuracy and range of the dart. The scope is pretty accurate and it's really good at lining things up. It's also good for blasters where the barrel is closer to the top of the gun. As for the stand, I do not really have any use for it, but it is a nice feature because it could be used as a grip or stand for the blaster. Number 2. Universal Suction Dart Refill Pack. Get ready for extended playtime with this 100 dart refill pack. It's the perfect way to keep the fun going, whether you're playing indoors or out. Looking for a great gift? This pack provides plenty of ammo for exciting gaming sessions. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun family activity. These darts are designed to work with most standard soft dart guns. Enjoy seamless compatibility with a wide range of popular toy blasters. Crafted from safe, soft sponge plastic, these darts offer enhanced flight. They are designed for accuracy and safe play, ensuring fun without worry. While these darts are safe for most play, please remember they are not suitable for children under 3. Always play responsibly and avoid aiming directly at faces. To ensure the best experience, avoid aiming directly at others. Consider eye protection for added safety during intense gaming sessions. What we like. Never run out of ammo again with this massive 100 dart refill pack. These darts are designed for broad compatibility with most Nerf N-Strike Elite blasters, ensuring they'll work with your favorite toy guns. If you're tired of interrupting games to reload or want to ensure continuous fun for family play, this bulk pack is an essential purchase. What people say. These darts are awesome and perfect for dart weapon-obsessed kiddos. My kid loves them because they stick to windows and I would much rather him try to shoot the windows and stick them on than me, lol. They also do not come apart easily, which I love because I have a 2-year-old. Works great. The darts stick well. These shoot more consistently than the darts that came with the blaster. And the suction cups stick well. Number 1. Nerf Gun Scope Sight Tactical Attachment. This toy gun accessory is crafted from durable, lightweight plastic. It's designed to enhance playtime and is a fantastic addition for any young enthusiast. Attaching and removing this sight from your toy gun is a breeze. You can quickly enhance your toy with this user-friendly accessory. Measuring approximately 23.5 by 6.5 centimeters, this scope is built to last. It offers a clear view, adding to the realism of your games. Featuring a reticle, this attachment helps you improve your aim. Sharpen your shooting skills and take your game to the next level. This rail attachment easily fits onto various toy guns in the series. It's a great way to add more excitement and fun to your playtime. This accessory is perfect for kids and friends over 14 years old. It makes for a thoughtful and fun gift that enhances their toy gun experience. What we like. This simple yet effective scope attachment is designed to significantly improve your aiming accuracy. It's lightweight, durable, and incredibly easy to mount and remove from most toy guns. If you're a young enthusiast looking to enhance your shooting skills and add a cool, functional accessory to your blaster, this is a fantastic and affordable option. What people say. The scope is easy to install and adjust. It provides a clear and magnified view of the target. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.